Looking for the perfect spring break destination? Look no further than the sun-drenched metropolis of Miami. With its pristine white sandy beaches stretching as far as the eye can see, it's a paradise for those seeking the perfect balance of relaxation and adventure. Let's not forget the vibrant music scene. Miami is a melting pot of cultures, and this diversity is reflected in its music. From the pulsating beats of Latin rhythms to the smooth grooves of jazz, music is the lifeblood of this city. Whether you're dancing the night away in one of the city's many nightclubs or enjoying a live band on the beach, the music is sure to get your feet tapping and your heart racing. And then there's the food. Miami's cuisine is as varied and exciting as the city itself. From mouth-watering seafood fresh from the ocean to Cuban sandwiches and decadent desserts, there's something for every palate. The city is teeming with restaurants, each offering a unique culinary experience that's sure to delight your taste buds. But Miami isn't just about relaxing on the beach, dancing, and eating. If you're an adrenaline junkie, you'll be thrilled by the array of water sports available. Jet skiing, boating, surfing, you name it, Miami has it. The crystal-clear waters of the Atlantic Ocean provide the perfect playground for thrill seekers. And when the sun goes down, the fun doesn't stop. Miami is famous for its endless party times. The city comes alive at night with its neon lights and energetic vibes. From swanky rooftop bars to buzzing nightclubs, there's something for everyone in this city that never sleeps. And let's not forget the city's vibrant art scene. From the colorful murals of Wynwood to the Art Deco-style buildings, Miami is a feast for the eyes. It's a city that celebrates creativity and expression, making it a must-visit for art lovers. So if you're seeking a spring break filled with sun, fun, and unforgettable experiences, Miami is your perfect destination. Imagine waking up to the sun shining brightly over the beautiful Miami skyline. As the city awakens, the day's first light paints vibrant hues across the azure canvases of the sky and sea. Miami, in the early morning, is a symphony of sights and sounds that breathe life into the city. As you venture out, the scent of freshly brewed coffee wafts through the air, luring you into a local cafe. Here, you can indulge yourself in the rich, bold flavors of a classic Americano or perhaps a creamy latte, a perfect pick-me-up to kickstart your day. The coffee scene in Miami is as diverse as the city itself, with a blend of cultures brewing in every cup. Stepping outside the cafe, the sun-kissed streets beckon you towards the beach. Feel the warm, white sand between your toes and the cool, crisp ocean breeze against your skin. Miami's beaches aren't just for sunbathing. They're the perfect place to start your day with some invigorating water sports. Whether you're riding the waves on a jet ski or gliding over the water on a stand-up paddleboard, the Atlantic Ocean is your playground. From the beach, the Wynwood Art District is just a short journey away. This vibrant neighborhood is a paradise for art lovers, brimming with colorful murals, innovative galleries, and quirky boutiques. The streets here are a canvas, where local and international artists have left their mark in the form of sprawling, vivid graffiti. It's hard not to be inspired by Wynwood's creative energy. But don't just take my word for it. Experience it for yourself. From the aroma of morning coffee to the adrenaline rush of water sports, from tranquil beach walks to the inspiring street art, Miami in the morning is a sensory delight. With so much to see and do, your mornings in Miami will never be dull. As the sun reaches its zenith, the real adventure begins. Miami, with its kaleidoscope of vibrant colors and pulsating energy, takes on a whole new persona under the golden afternoon sun. The city's architectural beauty, wrapped in the unique charm of the Art Deco style, comes alive, inviting you to explore and immerse yourself in its rich history. Each building, with its geometric designs and pastel hues, tells a fascinating story of a bygone era, adding a touch of nostalgia to your afternoon adventure. But Miami isn't just about retro architecture. The city's gastronomic scene is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Perched atop the city's high-rises, rooftop restaurants offer a feast not only for your palate but also for your eyes. Picture this. You're savoring a delectable meal while the city sprawls beneath you, bathed in the warm hues of the afternoon sun. From traditional Cuban cuisine to avant-garde fusion dishes, Miami's culinary landscape is as diverse as the city itself. No Miami afternoon is complete without a visit to the beach. The city's white sandy beaches offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle. It's the perfect setting for a photo session. Capture the joy of splashing in the waves, the tranquility of a seaside walk, or the simple beauty of a sandcastle. These are the moments that make a trip to Miami unforgettable. As you explore the city, don't forget to take a detour to the Wynwood district. Known for its colorful murals and street art, Wynwood is a paradise for art enthusiasts. A stroll through its streets is like walking through an open-air museum, where every wall is a canvas and every corner holds a surprise. From cultural explorations to culinary delights, Miami's afternoons offer something for everyone. So whether you're a history buff, a foodie, a beach lover, or an art aficionado, there's no shortage of adventures waiting for you in the Magic City. As the sun sets, Miami truly comes alive. The city transforms into a vibrant playground pulsating with rhythm and energy as it welcomes the night. The air buzzes with anticipation, and the streets light up with an electric excitement that is quintessentially Miami. This is when the city reveals its other side, the one that thrives under the neon lights and the moonlit sky. Miami's nightlife is a colorful tapestry of endless parties, lively music, and unforgettable experiences, each one more fabulous than the last. The party spirit is infectious, and it's impossible not to be swept away by it. You can feel the city's heartbeat in its music, a thrilling mix of Latin beats, hip-hop, and electronic dance music that echoes throughout the night. It's a sound that's as diverse and dynamic as Miami itself, and it sets the perfect soundtrack for the adventures that await. Every corner of Miami offers a unique party experience. There are rooftop lounges where you can sip on cocktails as you take in the breathtaking skyline views. There are beach clubs where you can dance barefoot in the sand, under the stars. There are elegant nightclubs where you can lose yourself in the music until the early hours of the morning. And there are laid-back bars where you can unwind with friends, old and new, sharing stories and laughs over a drink or two. In Miami, every night is a celebration of life, of friendship, of the joy of being in the moment. It's a city that encourages you to let loose, to express yourself, to embrace the unexpected. It's a city that promises an endless party, where every night offers a chance to make new memories, to experience new things, to meet new people. In Miami, the party never ends, ensuring every night is a night to remember. With its alluring white sandy beaches and a diverse gastronomic scene, Miami is ready to welcome you. Picture yourself strolling along the pristine coastline, every step pronouncing a unique rhythm of relaxation. These shores are a paradise in their own right, providing a perfect backdrop for leisurely walks or impromptu photo sessions. But Miami isn't just about the sand and the sea. It's a culinary heaven brimming with a myriad of restaurants serving drool-worthy cuisines as diverse as the city itself. Now let's go back a bit and explore why Miami is the ultimate spring break destination. Greeted by the gentle morning sun, the city unveils a warm, inviting ambiance that immediately uplifts your spirit. Start your day sipping a cup of coffee at one of the many adorable cafes, preparing you to seize the day. As the sun scales up the sky, Miami opens itself to a spectrum of adventures. Be it thrill seekers wanting to jet ski on the waves or culture buffs yearning to explore the vibrant Wynwood Art District, the city offers something for everyone. As daylight morphs into a starry vista, Miami turns into a city of ceaseless celebration. The rhythmic resonance of music fills the atmosphere, luring you to be a part of the jubilation. From swanky rooftop lounges to bustling nightclubs, the city presents countless ways to unwind and savor the night. Complementing the sun-kissed beaches and diverse cuisines is the Art Deco architecture, adding a dash of charm, turning each corner into a visual delight. So, what's the holdup? Prepare your bags and let Miami be your next spring break destination. Whether you're seeking a tranquil retreat or an adrenaline-charged escapade, Miami guarantees an extraordinary experience. Remember, it's not simply a city, it's a lifestyle, vibrant, energetic, and brimming with positive vibes. Miami is waiting. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on living your best life. Remember, life is fleeting. Make your dreams a reality.